Namaskar. I'm Pawan Agrawal, Chief Executive Officer of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI in short. As you may be aware that FSSAI is supposed to see that the food in the marketplace is safe. The responsibility to ensure food safety lies with the food businesses. People who handle food at various stages of production, they are key in that, and people who supervise the food handlers, they also play a key role in that. To ensure that these people are trained and they have adequate competences to ensure food safety, we have put in place a system of food safety training and certification, FOSTEC in short. Under the FOSTEC, we have devised 17 courses for various kinds of food businesses at different levels, and catering being one of them. These training programs are currently being imparted through face-to-face learning across the country. I'm very happy to share with you that lakhs of food safety supervisors have been trained under FOSTEC so far. This is very, very encouraging. There are about 200 training partners who are conducting these training programs across the country in various areas of food businesses. Now, this video and series of videos are our attempt to ensure that some of these courses are now available online. So, this is the first online course on advanced catering under the FOSTEC. Initially, we would like these courses, this online course, to supplement face-to-face learning, to improve the quality of such instruction that is imparted under the FOSTEC program. Eventually, we will go in for proctored testing and see that if we could provide certification basis on the basis of online courses taken by people anywhere, anytime, and also certified based on examination that could be conducted at the convenience of the trainees themselves. So, I am sure that these courses, the first attempt of FSSAI to provide online advanced catering course, you will find it useful. It has 15 modules like the face-to-face course. This you can go through at your own convenience and revisit it as many times as possible to enhance your learning and improve your competence, and a certification will be provided at the end of it, on the basis of proctored examination. For the time being, we wish to use it to improve the quality of instruction in face-to-face instruction. This course has been carefully crafted with the help of experts from FSSAI. Two speakers in this course, they are FOSTEC trainers, Chef Rakesh Sethi and Professor Pulkit Mathur. They are very eminent people who have done hundreds of FOSTEC programs across the country. Based on this experience across the country, this high quality online course is presented to you to ensure that the quality of these instructions in the classroom mode that is currently going on is enhanced, and we have consistent messaging and approach to FOSTEC training for advanced catering. Thank you.